Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to download or install Leonardo AI application on the laptop. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and bring up the search bar and type in Leonardo AI login and hit the search and go for this link. And guys, you'll be taken to the official website of Leonardo. Now at the top right of your screen, you can see the three dot button. Just click on three dot button and go down. Over here you can see the save and share button. Click on that, and guys, you can see the create shortcut. Just click on create shortcut button. Over here guys, you just need to choose the name as you want, and I'm choosing the Leonardo, and click on that square box and just click on create button to create it. Now see guys, your application has been installed. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon for our latest video, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.